Hi everyone, today we are going to show you the code of Android application and to explain you the code Arduino. Now I'm going to speak about the application code. In the main program we got the references to the buttons that were created in the main layout, and we created the function allowing to be redirected to the classic cocktail view for the first button and the exotic cocktail view for the second button. Next, we have the code to configure the buttons and the text box. So the main view is like this. Here is the code to configure the buttons and the text boxes for exotic cocktail view. This is the exotic cocktail view. The user can enter the number of centiliters for the liquid in the text editors, which are here. The cocktail must contain 5 centiliters minimum and 15 centiliters maximum. Firstly, we have the code to create the back button and the send button. Next, we get the pieces of information of the text editor, and then we check if the text editor are empty or not. To finish, we test if the total quantity of the cocktail is well between 5 and 15 centiliters. Here is the code to configure the buttons and the text boxes for the classic cocktail view. This is the classic cocktail view. We created 5 buttons and configured the number of centiliters of each cocktail. The last code allows to all information to be stored in the variables which will be sent to the Raspberry.
For this, we store the information in a database thanks to the PHP program. This one gets the information coming from application. Next, it connects to the database and sends him the information. After that, we get the information in a database with the Raspberry Pi and we transfer them in the Arduino. Now we are going to speak about the Arduino code to manage the pumps. A function has been created to run the pumps in the same time. This function gets in input the number of seconds that the pumps have to work. We are looking for the pumps working the least time, except those don't work. And then we run all the pumps having a time greater or equal than the minimum time. Next, we decrement the time of each pump by the minimum time, and to finish, we restart the loop until the number of seconds of each pump are equal to 0. Of course, we have put the security in the case where the glass is not detected in order to avoid running the pump unnecessarily.
We hope you are enjoying the project. See you soon for the next post. Bye.